Hello everybody, this is Micah from Food Travelers, and in this mini we're sharing our experience staying at the Courtyard Dallas downtown Reunion District. This hotel is, as you heard the name, in downtown Dallas. It's actually a really great location there. It's very convenient to many things and many restaurants, as well as within a quick Uber ride away. One thing I do want to mention is I really like having that check-in check-out time on the door, so that is always good information to have. You don't have to look it up or anything. It's right there in your face. One thing I did find very interesting is the shower tub design. It is one of those walk-in doorless designs. It does also have all your basic hooks, all your shower amenities that you need with the shampoo, the conditioner, and the soap there. I understand why they put the hair dryer behind the door. There isn't that much space for additional hooks. I kind of wish they had more hooks there so you can hang up the towels or anything else that you want to hang up, but unfortunately it's kind of limited in terms of space in there. There is a little bit of counter space for anything else that you want to put on the counter, but it is kind of limited there as well. With this view, I enjoy the view. You can see the Eddie Bernice Johnson Union Station. You can also see the Union streetcars that go by as well. There's also the Dallas Morning News station there. There's also a Ferris Plaza Compact City Park with a fountain, and I do see a lot of people hanging out around there too. It's a nice little location there that's shaded. It is a pretty convenient location to even like the JFK assassination memorial site as well. It is within a few blocks away, a nice walking distance there. So while we were staying here, it was triple digits weather outside there. It was really hot. The air conditioning in this room was really good. It did keep the room very cool throughout the night and throughout the day as well. And I also do appreciate all these new USB plugs and also all the wall outlets as well. That is always a great feature to have in a hotel, is having enough plugs for, especially nowadays, there's so much things that you need to charge up. One thing I did also want to mention is with both sides of the bed, there is a switch where you can turn on and turn off the lights for the ceiling lights above. As you see by the TV, there is also the menu for in-room service ordering as well, and every single room does have that Keurig instant coffee, and it does come with the free coffee or tea as well. And there is also a microwave and a refrigerator, so you can heat up or store any additional food that you bring or have leftover from your meals that you had nearby. So this room is 340 square feet. I believe this room is a non-smoking room, and from what I read, rollaway beds are actually not permitted for this style room. There is a ironer and an ironing board in that walk-in closet as you're entering the room there. So overall, I had a really good night's sleep here. The room was very cool. It was a very quiet hotel, so I slept really well. The hotel location is very convenient as well. There's also a rooftop bar. That is a really good, nice location to see the whole view of the city. If you're looking for a hotel in downtown Dallas, I would definitely recommend this one.
If you've enjoyed the content you've seen, don't forget to support the channel and hit like and subscribe. And if you want to see additional pictures of food and our travels, go over to our Instagram page and follow us there. And thanks for watching.